Welcome back to our Kafka series. Today we'll dive into how to monitor Kafka using Kafdrop. Kafdrop is a lightweight web UI that helps you visualize topics, consumer groups, brokers, and messages in real time. So whether you prefer running it as a standalone jar or using Docker, we're going to do that. So first thing, let's go to Kafdrop. Kafdrop. Then it's found in this Obsidian Dynamics Kafdrop web UI. So you can either there's the readme here. Uh, so you can run from jar if you're interested in jar. You just go to the latest and download the jar. I've already downloaded it. Yeah. So before we do that, let's understand what's really Kafdrop. It's a open source. We can see it in the GitHub. It's an open source web UI for Apache Kafka, and it allows us to inspect topics, view messages, track consumer groups, and monitor broker details, all from a clean and intuitive interface. The prerequisites are before we start running Kafka. Uh, the, I'm sure you can go to the previous videos and you see how we were setting up Kafka. Mostly we are using Docker Compose. You also need Java installed if we'll be using the jar method. And of course, for Docker, if you'll be using Docker, then you need to ensure that you have the Docker installed. So we start by running Kafdrop. I've already started running the Kafka images. Kafka image is already running. Yeah, it's running. Kafka is running. So for the jar, let's see what we have here. Let me stop it. This is manual. So for the jar method, once you download the jar file from the open source GitHub, next you need to run the jar file, and it's just as the way we run Java program, Java jar, and then a Kafdrop and the version, and then we need to specify these broker connect, and you can specify as many servers here. So here we are using localhost then 1994. You remember, as you can see our Kafka here, it's running on port 1994. What do we have exposed? 1994. Oh, right. Okay. So if we hit it, then just you see it's a Spring Boot application. It's a Spring Boot application, and once it's running, we open our browser and go to let it finish up. I go to to port 9000. So localhost 9000. Now here you can see the bootstrap servers is localhost 1994. We have 5 topics, we have 54 partitions. Default partition leader is 100%. Then we can see like you know the topics here. For instance, if we maybe what this processed topic, review messages, we have any messages, we have 0 messages. Okay, we have position logs. Do you have messages? Here we have 31,000, 3,100 messages. You can view messages here and then click all messages and you will see all the messages there. So it's a nice way to view instead of using the command line. Yeah, the command line. And for the Docker, it's the same. I have a compose file, a compose for the Docker for the Kafdrop, and image again is the you can find this in the GitHub, Obsidian Dynamics Kafdrop, and then the container name you give restart policy and restart you can give whatever you want. Then here it's what you need to specify because we are running on a network, this Kafka demo network. So it's 29094. It's what I've specified here as internal. Okay. And then yeah, that's it. And then now for this one I'll be exposing port in 8000 so that it will not conflict that one for the command line which you're exposing port 9000. So it's already running here. You can see this one it's already running, unless now I need to restart it, but I will not restart it. So what I'll do, I'll go to localhost 8000 and then ensure that it's running again. Yeah, it's running um, the same thing here. Yeah, it's the same thing. The But you see, for this one, the bootstrapper is Kafka 29094 because it's running on Docker, and we have specified our internal Kafka, and then the port is 20009. So it's as easy as that. So from this interface, you can see it's easy to know the topics that you have, the messages that you have in each topic, the partitions, and you can add as many bootstrap servers as you require. Okay. Okay, I think that's it. So some common issues can happen. Maybe you cannot connect to broker. Maybe Kafdrop UI is not loading. Maybe you might need to restart Kafka and Kafdrop containers if you're using Docker. Yeah, and that's it. Okay, that's it. So Kafdrop, as you can see, it makes monitoring Kafka simple and very, very efficient. So either way, if you use jar or Docker, you can now visualize your Kafka topics and messages easily. So if you found this video helpful, that's my pleasure. All right, so see you in the next one. Thank you. God bless you people.